The Jiaintia National Council, JNC, on Monday has urged the state government to relocate the BSF checkposts from East Jiaintia Hills. At the same time, the JNC also has asked for the strengthening of the police infiltration check gate in the district. While speaking to reporters after meeting Deputy CM Preston Tinsong, JNC President S. Lingdo said that after a series of incidents reported from across the district regarding harassment caused by BSF, which have evoked criticism from various bodies. According to him, these incidents required immediate removal of the checkposts by BSF from places like Sonaperdi, Umblo, Dona, where BSF has set up their mobile camps.
Deputy CM ibalong ru kajukapor kumi Home Minister bani keran halor kene kajinga te nakanyang Deputy CM ila itu ini haba kajingsa nakanyang ka state government kila de bansna ya kata ka district coordination committee ka state government hi kala aibor ya kene ki deputy commissioner jong ki district bapar bandandar na kata ka coordination committee hakaba ki he jong ki BSF ki bodan apa kata thain ru kene ban dan apa kata committee ba kunjung ru kiran ba shnong.
Today, around 2 a.m., two vehicles were set